If you are spending too much time focusing on the drawing and not talking with the person at an event, at least, then you're already doing it wrong, because our jobs as caricature artists are to be comedians at these events. Honestly. It is our job to make people laugh, make them uncomfortable, and then drop a caricature in their lap that they absolutely love, and all of that awkwardness and fear just goes away, and next thing you know, they're in all freedom. It takes time, practice, and it takes an understanding that you can't just be sitting there silent, drawing, looking up at them, little smile, and get back to it. I do that all the time, and I feel so uncomfortable when I do that, because my job is to focus on that person, to invest myself in that person for that moment, to really make sure that they are enjoying this experience. So it's more important to work on your repertoire of jokes and little stupid cliche things, even if it has to be dad jokes. Whatever you can do to make things work. Some of my things are, I carry around some big Magnum Sharpies. You know, the nib is humongous. Really great for filling in hair really quick if it's someone with a lot of black hair or something like that. So usually when it comes to that, then I'll say, I don't know if this marker's big enough for your face, you know, or whatever. And they're things that would make someone go, what did he just say? And you're beginning to make them feel embarrassed. You're beginning to make them feel uncomfortable. You're beginning to bring on their anxiety and their discomfort. But because everyone else is laughing around you, it calms their spirit. No, it still keeps them nervous, but there's a purpose for that. Like every good movie that you've ever seen, you have a buildup of discomfort. There's, in every book you've ever read, there is a storyline that's going to be very joyful, meaningful, and then something right here is going to go wrong, and then it's going to be fixed a little bit later. Usually that's how these stories work. So our goal is the lead up to the end of the caricature is discomfort, 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 discomfort. We're building up in that time from discomfort, discomfort, discomfort. Everyone around is laughing, heckling, having a good time, enjoying the experience, except for that person sitting down. Because when it's time to show it and they laugh, that laughter exudes everywhere and everyone freaks out. And it's so fun. That is the purpose of a caricature at an event. So focusing on making sure that laughter happens and that conversation happens is so much more important than getting a likeness, believe it or not. If you can get that essence in the emotion of the caricature event, you'll have a much better chance of succeeding with far less chance of rejection.